Add Facebook friend in Subway Surfer. In this video, I will show you how to add Facebook friends in Subway Surfer step by step. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer application. On the home screen, tap onto the friends icon, it's one with the two little people. Or you can tap onto the gear icon from the top right corner. Now tap connect to Facebook. Log into your Facebook account and give permission for the game to access your friend list. Once connected, any of your Facebook friend who also plays Subway Surfer will appear in your Friends tab automatically. And that's it. Now you can race your friends, beat their score, and claim the leadership board together.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.